left, spin, left, spin. Left, spin. Good job, buddy. Good job. Touch. Touch right. Piggy, touch right. Touch right. Touch right. Touch right. Touch right. Pig, touch right.
His right or your right?
Ah, I always forget that. Yes,
You're confusing him. He
right.
was doing it right when you were.
Damn it, it's so hard to remember. I'm sorry, Pig. Touch right. Touch left. Touch left. Now that I've confused you totally. Touch left. Good boy, Piggy. I'm an idiot. Good boy, Piggy. Durr. There you go, bud. Okay, that's good, honey. Unless you want him to walk over to you and talk. We usually end the videos like that. You know? So if you kind of kneel down, he'll walk over to you.
Oh.
And he'll talk to the camera.